Dave is doing something. I don't know what. We're going to close in. As close as we can go. He's trying to climb something. There's Kim. Yep. If you look close enough, Dave's ass is completely brown because he fell. Again. It was a great imitation, by the way. And what is Dave doing? I don't know.
I think he is a mountain man. But really, he's not.
Dave, you're not a mountain man. Come down from there. Dave, what did he say about climbing the waterfall? Do you want the waterfall spirits to claim your soul? And Dave thinks he's the shit. Whatever.